Everybody, we're cooking Celesti's food in a big batch, and we're making our food too, which is two batches. And we're going to take some of it because we're thieves.
Ready? Keep going.
All of it?
Just the onion. That's good. So we're supposed to put onion only to caramelize this, but that's alright. A little bit of something else is good. Chicken.
Chicken.
So these are still frozen, but we're not in the rush of cooking this. That's alright. It's frozen.
Everything else?
Hmm? To have the no. To have the smoke flavor, we're not gonna cover this. We're gonna let the smoke from the bottom going up. More firewood. So we have about 10 pounds of chicken, and what we're gonna do is we will cook the chicken along with these. This is rutabaga, carrots, a little bit left of the onions, and then we also have potatoes and sweet potatoes inside the house. So now we are adding the water because our chicken is frozen and we need to kind of steam it a little bit. There, so okay, so we have the rest of the stuff. On our stew, we're gonna put these ingredients here. We have the carrots, the rest of the onions, and this one is rutabaga. I know, I've never heard of rutabaga until recently. Whoa. So we're adding the rutabaga. You can just pour it.
With the carrots?
Yeah, everything. So this is called uncomplicated cooking. You pour everything. Thank you, Kuya Heart. You can pour everything. Yes, the water, but I did that to measure the amount of water that goes into these stew. You can go from side to side like this, just like that.